Welcome back, and now news from sports. Sports Minister Ramesh Tawadkar is of the opinion that sports associations under the Sports Authority of Goa should be graded for grants according to their needs. S.A.G is now looking to implement this policy. Executive Director Elvis Gomes explained that grading of sports associations is not discrimination.
Grading of associations has been an issue which has been raised by the Minister for Sports. It is his desire, so we have to implement that. I do not think that we will be doing any kind of discrimination. All sports are equally respected as far as the government is concerned. But if you observe, certain sports require, in terms of logistics, more help, whether in the organization, training, and so many other issues. There are certain sports which may not involve that kind of resources. But here there has been no policy, and therefore everybody ends up getting the same amount of grants. And therefore, to avoid this kind of situation where more help is required, more help is to be given. That is the idea behind that.
So you're going to downsize the grants for certain associations or certain sports?
Not downsizing as such. Maybe in some situations it may have to be scaled up.
Okay.
We do not want to put anybody at a disadvantage.
Okay.
Because the policy of the government is to support sports.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Kampal.
Secretary of the Goa Swimming Association Sudesh Nagvekar has clarified on allegations made by João Estrocio's parents regarding alleged irregularities by the state swimming body. Nagvekar told Prudent despite being an exceptional swimmer, João did not make the cut for the junior nationals as he did not get the required points. According to Nagvekar, the addition of points in the individual category was done wrongly by João's parents. According to João's parents, he accumulated 23 points, but Sudesh claims he has just 13 points. João Estrocio's parents took the matter in the court after their son was not selected to represent the state at the ongoing nationals. Secretary Sudesh Nagvekar explained why he was not selected.
जुआंव जो भुरगो जो एक दोन इव्हेंटान पार्टिसिपेट जालो, इव्हेंट नंबर 45 एंड इव्हेंट नंबर 98 इफ आय एम नॉट मिस्टेकन, तातूंत भितर फक्त दोनूच भुरगीं आशिल्लीं. तर इव्हेंट कंप्लीट जातलो जाल्यार एज पर द रुल्स 3 भुरगीं आसपा जाय, आनी जर 3 भुरगीं नासत आनी जर 2 भुरग्यांक जर आपली टायम ट्रायल दिवपाक जाय जाल्यार आमी तांकां टायम ट्रायल दिवपाक दितात. त्या प्रमाणे तांणी दोगांनी टायम ट्रायल दिली. म्हणजे एका इव्हेंटान जुआंव आनीक अश्विन मस्कारेनस आनी दुसऱ्या इव्हेंटान जुआंव आनीक ईशान मालविया. तर ही आमी तांची टायम ट्रायल घेतली. मागीर ह्या जुआंवाच्या बापायन आमकां सांगलें की ताका मेडल आनी सर्टिफिकेट दी. आमी म्हणलें चल मेडल, एक भुरग्याची उमेद वाडोवपाक मेडल आनी सर्टिफिकेट ताका दिली. हाजो अर्थ असो न्ही की जेन्ना आमी कॅल्क्युलेशन करतात, म्हणजे इंडिविज्युअल चॅम्पियनशीप काडपाक आमी एक कॅल्क्युलेशन करतात. म्हणजे गोल्ड म्हणजे 5 पॉयंट, सिल्वर म्हणजे 3 पॉयंट आनी ब्रॉन्झ म्हणजे 1 पॉयंट. सो ताणें आपणें स्वताक एक कॅल्क्युलेशन तयार केलें की आपल्या भुरग्याचे 23 पॉयंट. म्हणून ताजे 2 इव्हेंट अशे आशिल्ले जातून ताणी फर्स्ट प्लेस पोझिशन ताका मेळिल्लें, तातूंतले ताजे 10 मायनस जाता, सो ही कम्स ऑन 13. दुसरें म्हणजे ताजे बरोबर जो ईशान मालवी आशिल्लो ताजे तशेंच हे 3 ताणी एड केल्यात. हे आमी एड करूं ना, ताणी कॅल्क्युलेशन्स करून दाखयल्या. त्या प्रमाणे ताजे जर 3 मायनस केल्या ही इज कमिंग ऑन 20 आणि तरण मुखर्जी इज क्लियर विथ 23. देरफोर वी हॅव एवॉर्डेड दिस इंडिविज्युअल चॅम्पियनशीप बॉयज ग्रुप 2 टू तरण मुखर्जी. सो ह्या कॅल्क्युलेशना भितर हातूंत भितर कसलेच काय ना. इट इज व्हेरी क्रिस्टल क्लियर. दीज ऑल स्टोरीज आर जस्ट फॅब्रिकेटेड फॉर स्पॉइलिंग द नेम ऑफ द असोसिएशन. आता दुसरी म्हणजे एज ही क्लेम्स की तो आपलो भुरगो म्हणजे टॅलंटेड. ऑफकोर्स हांव मान्य करता तो टॅलंटेड. हाचे पयलीं तो नॅशनल्साक गेल्लो तेन्ना ताणें आपले टॅलंट्स दाखयले. पूण ह्या फाटी ताजे परफॉर्मन्स वॉज नॉट अप टू द मार्क. ताजे जर परफॉर्मन्स अप टू द मार्क आशिल्ले जाल्यार तो पयले 7 भुरगे भर सिलेक्ट जाले, तातूंत भितर येतलो आशिल्लो. तातूंत भितर तो सिलेक्ट कित्याक जालो? दॅट मिन्स ही वॉज लॅकिंग 2.18. 2.18 लॅक फाटल्यान आसा म्हणून तो सिलेक्ट जावना. इट इज सिंपल एज दॅट.
A reporter in Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Have a great weekend up ahead. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.